What's going on? Let me show y'all why the estate inspection really is a needed service, and I understand why the state has shops doing it, and this is why it should be serious. All right, got a 2002 Suburban, GMC Yukon, basically a Suburban, with, you'll see. You right here? I don't know if y'all can see that tie rod in right there in the center of the screen. People. Look at that. It's not even tight. That'll come apart and allow this vehicle that can carry a large family to run off the road. So this vehicle, I may not sell it because I don't want to charge nobody any money, but I'm definitely not going to pass it, and I'm going to have the customer come into the shop to show them firsthand what's wrong with this vehicle. Come on in.
Yeah, he need change this one, okay, and another one, he put a new one. All of this one, I put a new one. This and the bar, and this one, okay, yeah, need go for this patient, but he don't have broken the wheel there, he got it there, it's loose.
Contact Encore Automotive Diagnostics and Repair for all your automotive repairs and needs. Thank you.